Bhramari pranayam, you say that type of thing, you close your ears and do that vibration is what causes gamma wave to come out of the basolateral amygdala. There is a region in the amygdala. There is a region in the brain which is called amygdala, which is basically it's a it's a fight and it allows for you to uh, react instantaneously, that portion instantaneously. So when you are once that is extremely highly activated, it hijacks the entire nerve signaling going and blood supply going in other parts of the brain. This is where it subsides. So this gamma wave from basolateral, the same amygdala which can cause amygdala hijack, can also cool it down if you do the right Bhramari pranayam, a yogic breathing technique. This is so powerful.